Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install shaders for Minecraft 1.21.5 on your Mac. Before we get started, you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. So if you don't have it already, I will leave a guide linked in the description below. Alright, first things first, we need to download the Minecraft version files so we can install shaders later. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher and in the versions drop-down menu, select the 1.21.5 version and hit play. Once Minecraft is open, just select Quick Game. And now we can move on to the next step. Now we need to download Fabric, which allows us to install mods so we can run the shaders. To do this, open your web browser and go to fabricmc.net. I'll leave this linked in the description too. Click on the blue download button, and then select the Download Installer button. Save the Fabric installer to your Mac. I'm saving mine to the desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API, which again allows us to run the mods. Click on the Fabric API link below the download button, and it will take you to the CurseForge website. Scroll down slightly and click on the Files tab. Scroll down again and find the version of the Fabric API to match your Minecraft version, in our case, 1.21.5. Select that version, scroll down again and click the download button. Your download should start automatically after 5 seconds. Save the Fabric API to your Mac as well. Desktop is fine. Okay, we've downloaded the Fabric mod installer and the Fabric API. Now let's grab the mods themselves so we can run the shaders. Go to your web browser to any modding website you like. I'm using modrienth.com for this example. Scroll down and click on Discover Mods. Find the Sodium mod, which should be near the top. Select it. On the Sodium mod page, click on the Versions tab. Scroll down and select the mod that matches our Minecraft version, 1.21.5. Make sure it has the Fabric filter attached, which it should. Click the green download button and save the Sodium mod to your Mac.
Almost there.
We just need one more mod for the shaders to work.
Go back to your web browser. Back to Modrienth.
Scroll down and click Discover Mods again. This time, scroll down until you find the Iris Shaders mod and click on it. Once you're on the Iris mod page, click on the Versions tab. Again, find the version that matches our Minecraft version, 1.21.5, and has the Fabric filter. Select it, and click Download.
Save the Iris Shader mod to your Mac.
Great. We've downloaded our mods. Now we need a shader pack of your choice. Open your web browser, go back to Modrienth, scroll down, click Discover Mods, and then click on the Shaders tab at the very top.
Choose a shader you like.
I'm going with Complementary Shaders Reimagined. Once you're inside the shader menu, click on Versions and do the same thing. Make sure it supports your Minecraft version. This one supports 1.21.x. Since we downloaded the Iris mod earlier, make sure the shader you're trying to download also has the Iris filter attached.
Click the download button and save the shader pack to your desktop. Alright, we have everything downloaded.
Now we need to install Fabric.
Open the Fabric installé we downloaded first.
If you get a message saying it can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer, you need to approve it in your system settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down again until you find the Fabric installer listed there. Select Open Anyway, and in the pop-up menu, select Open Anyway again. Now, use your Mac password or Touch ID. After a few seconds, the Fabric installer will open. Make sure you're on the Client tab at the top. In the Minecraft versions menu, make sure it's 1.21.5. For the loader version, we can keep it the same. And make sure Create Profile is selected. Once you're ready, click on Install. After a few seconds, Fabric will be installed to Minecraft. Click OK, and you can exit out of the installer. You can even delete it from your Mac if you want. Fabric has been installed. Now, we just need to install the Fabric API and our mods. Open your Minecraft launcher, select the Installations tab at the very top, and you should see the new Fabric Loader installation. If you don't see it, you might need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Click on the file icon to the right of it, and this will open up the installation folder of your Minecraft. Locate the mods folder. If you don't see it, you may need to create a new one. Click on the circle icon Finder in the top right, and click on New Folder. Rename this new folder Mods. Now go inside of the Mods folder, and drag and drop the Fabric API and the mods we downloaded earlier into the Mods folder. Done. Now, exit out of the Mods folder. We can now play Minecraft and install our shaders. Make sure you're on the Play tab at the top. In the drop-down menu, select the Fabric Loader.